Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you quick demonstration, and that demonstration is very important. How to create a bootable Mac operating system drive in your pen drive using Mac operating system. It's very simple. You just follow the step-by-step process and you can boot your bootable pen drive. Otherwise, you can install this operating system in your particular ScanDisk, any kind of pen drive. So let's start how to create a bootable pen drive in Mac operating system. Any Mac operating system, Catalina, Big Sur, or older version. So before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, you need to download any types of Mac operating system. I'm putting this link video description. So here available on download Mac Catalina 10.15.7 updated version. You download this operating system, depend upon your internet speed and how much time are consuming this particular download space. Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.